Have you ever noticed how some girls just look snatched? Flat stomach, soft waist, curves in all the right places. Meanwhile, you're standing in front of the mirror doing that little hip tilt, sucking your stomach in, hoping the outfit somehow fixes everything. I used to think an hourglass body was purely genetic, like you're either born with it or you're not. And I was definitely in the not category. No matter how clean I ate, no matter how many random ab workouts I saved on Pinterest, my lower belly stayed, and my waist? Basically non-existent. I felt frustrated, confused, and honestly, a little defeated. But everything changed when I stopped chasing trends and started listening to actual body science. Not extremes, not punishment, just understanding how the body really works. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how I flattened my stomach and built a more hourglass-shaped body. No gym, no equipment, no extreme dieting, just realistic habits you can actually stick to. And yes, we're doing this step by step. First thing you need to hear, you cannot spot reduced fat. I know, I hated hearing that too. Crunches won't magically erase belly fat. Doing 500 ab reps won't suddenly flatten your stomach. What ab exercises actually do is strengthen the muscles underneath. So instead of obsessing over losing belly fat, we focus on two things: lowering overall body fat slowly and sustainably, and sculpting the waist using deep core activation. That's how the stomach flattens, and that's how the waist curves inward. Once I stopped fighting my body and started working with it, everything shifted. This mindset alone will save you months of frustration. If you think getting a flat stomach means eating less and feeling miserable, please stop. Starving doesn't flatten your stomach, it stresses your body out. The real secret is low calorie density. That means foods that give you more volume, more fullness, and fewer calories. Think big bowls of vegetables, protein-rich meals, high-fiber foods that actually keep you satisfied. Your stomach feels full, but your body stays in a gentle caloric deficit. And no, you don't need to cut carbs forever. You don't need to fear sugar. You just need balance. When you eat enough, your cortisol levels drop, your digestion improves, and bloating reduces naturally. Ironically, eating more of the right foods is what finally flattened my stomach. Starving only made it worse. Sometimes it's not fat. It's bloating, stress, eating too fast, carbonated drinks, late night snacking. All of these can make your stomach look bigger than it actually is. One habit that completely changed my stomach shape? Eating slower, putting the fork down between bites, chewing properly, letting my body catch up. Your brain needs around 20 minutes to realize you're full. When digestion improves, the stomach naturally flattens. No workouts required, just patience and awareness. Now let's talk sculpting. The hourglass body doesn't come from crunching forward nonstop. It comes from activating your transverse abdominis, your internal corset. This muscle wraps around your waist and pulls everything inward. These are my go-to exercises: bicycle crunches. Focus on lifting the shoulder, not swinging the arms. Elbow to knee, standing or on the floor. Perfect for shaping the waistline. And plank hip twists. This is where the magic happens. Start with 30 seconds each. Take breaks if you need to. Then build up gradually. You don't need intensity. You need consistency. 5 to 10 minutes a day adds up more than you think. If you want fat loss without burnout, walk. Walking lowers cortisol, burns fat gently, and doesn't spike hunger like intense cardio. 20 to 40 minutes a day is more than enough. No gym, no pressure, just movement. Sometimes the most effective thing is also the simplest. This one might surprise you. Sleep is more important than abs. When you don't sleep enough, your body releases cortisol, the hormone that stores fat right in your stomach. So if you're eating well and working out but sleeping 4 hours a night, your belly fat is winning. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. This is non-negotiable. Your waistline depends on it. Here's the truth. A flat stomach and hourglass body aren't built through punishment. They come from eating enough, moving gently, activating the right muscles, and letting your body feel safe. You don't need to hate your body to change it. You change it because you respect it. If you're committing to this lifestyle, comment "snatched" below. And remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about consistency.